What if I told you that you could make $500 a day online? No experience, no qualifications, no skills, no Upwork, no Fiverr, no CV, no capital, just a smartphone and these websites. Sounds good to be true? Stick around because I'm going to show you step by step how you can start today. And hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button because I'm always sharing the best ways to earn money online from the comfort of your zone. In today's video, we're diving into a method that requires no CV, no experience, zero skills, zero upfront costs. All you need is your phone, internet connection, and a little bit of your time. Now, the magic behind this method is a website that is completely beginners friendly. This platform connects you with an opportunity that anyone can do. No matter where you're from, no matter where you're staying, it mustn't be in a tier 1 country to be able to partake in this opportunity. So I will review this website in just a minute, so stay tuned. All I want you to do for me is to give this video a thumbs up and click the share button so your friends too can partake in this opportunity. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you'll be needing this channel to be able to do this. To be able to earn this money, you must subscribe to this channel because this channel is what are going to put you through in everything regarding this process to making this money. Alright, so let's dive into the processes now. I know you might have heard about translation projects, data annotation, data collection, Atlantis, Milky Way. You might have heard about these ones I just mentioned is for one format. They are currently now called Scientific. And we have search evaluation, US rating, online data analyst. Don't worry about that you don't know how to speak different languages. These ones I just mentioned now are for TELUS International. We have CrowdGen, which is also known as Appen. We have Outlier, we have Weak Localized, we have Peroptics. But in this video, I'll be talking about TELUS International. Just like you can see from the payment I just displayed on the screen, these payments came from TELUS International. I started this since 2023, and on the screen you can see my payments as of the time of 2023. And these ones here on the screen are for 2024. Okay, so it's not just a big deal. I'm a Nigerian. I'm not staying in the United States, neither am I staying in the UK. Alright, yeah, you can see that, okay, I'm staying in the Europe. There's no problem with that. But I'm not staying in the United States because this project are for the person that stays in the United States. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do all of this. You mustn't be the one to be rating the work. I don't handle my account. I don't rate myself. Even the time I was rating was when I was back then in Nigeria, but currently I have what I'm doing here and I'm not rating the works myself. I have persons that are doing it for me. I have more than 5 accounts. I'm not handling of it. You can just learn how to make the application and have raters to handle your account for you. So what you're going to do is connect your proxy, find any of the proxy providers. You can use Digifusox, you can use Big Mama. Connect your proxy and head over to the website TELUS Digital. Excuse me, TELUS Digital. Go to TELUS Digital. Go scroll down. You're going to see US raters. You're going to see online data analysts. But what I do personalized answer say so, I do internet say so, I do US rater, and I do online data analysis, which is map evaluations. So you can choose any of it. But for this tutorial, we're going to be making use of US rater. Then click on the US rater, take the application and submit. And that's just it. So I'm just telling you how to make this money online. Check my videos in this channel. You're going to see a video tutorial on how to take the application from beginning to the end of the US rater. But this video is very important because with this video you're going to have an idea on how to do this. First of all, you need a proxy for application. This proxy is what you're going to connect an extension to make it seem as if you're in the United States while you're wherever you are, in Nigeria or in Ghana or wherever you're watching this video from. Even if you're watching from France, wherever you're watching from, you connect your proxy so you're not to anonymize your location, to max your location, make it seem as if you're in the United States. That's the source of the proxy. Then how to get a CV. Check the video in this channel. You see how to get a CV for US rater for TELUS International. Get your CV ready. get your profile, take the application. Then the next stage is the exam stage, and the answers are also available. Check this channel. That's what I told you, that you have to subscribe to this channel, and you have to give this video a thumbs up, and you have to share this video, because this channel is what's gonna guide you on making money online in this 2025 with freelancing, without having the skills, without being in the country. If you subscribe to this channel, then it's a win for you, because everything you need in making money online freelancing is already in your fingertips. You already have it in your fingertips. So how to take the application is in this channel. How to get a CV is in this channel. Alright, so when you've done with your proxy connection, getting your CV ready, now is the application, which is very simple to take. Apply for the US Recruiter, whichever one you want to apply for, the US Recruiter or online data analyst. Then you'll be scheduled for a date for an exam. And the exam for the part 1 for the US Recruiter, part 2 US Recruiter, part 3 US Recruiter is on this channel. Alright, so just have to get this done. Thank you.